everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be repotting this pothos. It is super root bound, and pothos usually do like to be root bound, but this one has been in the same pot for a very long time, so I feel like it needs a good soil replacement. So I am just loosening up this soil here and the roots and trying to take out some of the old soil. There's really not a lot. It looks like the roots have just kind of taken it all away. So the soil that I replaced this with is a bit of ocean forest potting soil and a good bit of perlite. So here is a good picture of the roots and how long this pothos is. And here I have a 7-inch pot, so it's just slightly larger than the last pot that I had it in. So I believe that the pothos will like it, since it does like to be root bound, but it does need a little more room for growth. Plus, like I said, it does need that fresh soil. So for the rest of the video, I will be potting this up, not too tight in there. And at the end, I do have a picture of the finished product. Alrighty everyone, I hope you enjoyed this repot with me, and here is that picture. Until next time, bye!